Before I even get into the video, I just want to show you guys this shirt that I thrifted yesterday, and I think it is seriously the cutest thing I have ever thrifted in my life, and I just felt like it was really appropriate for the whole early 2000s thing. And yeah, as you guys know, if you have come from my other two videos, it's kind of like a three-part series where I first talk about the trends, then I thrift the trends, and now I'm showing you guys a lookbook. You can definitely go ahead and check out my early 2000s trends and see like exactly what everything is. I mean, I'll post up the list right here, but it's not really gonna make sense. You kind of need to look at the pictures for the inspo, and you don't have to watch that whole video. Like, you could literally just skip and look at the pictures and then come back to this video. And yeah, we're just gonna get right on into the video real quick. If you aren't, following me on Instagram, I do post a lot of early 2000s and 90s stuff, and that's gonna be at 1-800-BUY. And then I do thrift a lot of things as well, and then resell on Depop, and that's gonna be at Violet Demion. And we're just gonna get right on into the lookbook. It's gonna be my outfits of the week style, because as you guys know, I don't have the patience for cinematic lookbooks, because I just talk way too much and I want to talk with you guys and connect when I talk about my outfits. And yeah, let's just get right on into the video. I think it's only fair that we start this lookbook off by kind of recreating the 2001 AMAs with Justin Timberlake and Britney Spears. And even though that was technically 90s, I would honestly consider that like 90s fashion, I think it's what rolled over into the whole tackiness of the early 2000s. So that's what we're gonna start off with, starting with this freaking apple bottoms jeans denim jacket. I think is just, it's what makes this early 2000s video ho. I feel like if it didn't have the apple bottoms, it would be a little bit more 90s, but the fact that apple bottoms, I said that was so weird, the fact that it's just slapped on right here, and I'm wearing it as a shirt, so there's nothing underneath. I did see Paris Hilton wear that, where she literally was just wearing like a denim jacket or denim vest or something, and then just denim pants. That was kind of like also my inspiration. And then I kind of paired this mini skirt with it. It's not too mini, of course you could put it even more low rise, but again, I don't really like the whole low rise. And then I feel like if it was just even more shorter, it would be like perfect. And then I kind of paired a cute little mini bag. This is a Levi's denim bag. This also could kind of go with like the tacky monochromatic, because there's a lot of like name brands. It's not just denim on denim. There's like, I feel like a lot going on with this necklace that I actually got, I think, from Urban Outfitters. So it just has a bunch of these studs on it, which matches the earrings that are also from Urban, and then literally everything else is thrifted. And I paired these shoes with it that I got from my mom's closet. I like how like the little buckle on it kind of matches the circle on the little purse, and I just think that this is probably one of the most iconic outfits. At this point, I think I'm just gonna go off the most iconic outfits, starting with this one, except it's all pink and much less revealing, but still like the same concept of like red carpet. I feel like I should be like posing like this with my handbag like this, and then these sunglasses, just have them on like this, and then I'm just like fake smiling, or like a mean girl in a movie. But yeah, this was totally based around this skirt, this whole entire outfit that I actually stole from my mom's closet. And I actually didn't mention these skirts in my lookbooks, but these were like the it skirt back in the day, like the whole just like a bunch of random stuff going down. And I thought it was perfect because it had like this bedazzling brooch on it, which again ties into the whole like blingy accessory. And I kind of had this to tie into it to kind of make it like a red carpet look. And this is just like a fake juicy necklace, like if you guys know what I'm talking about, like the old school ones, except this is a Guess one. And then I paired this halter top that I actually thrifted in my Come Thrifting With Me for the early 2000s trends that I just thought fit so perfectly. And then I paired it with these white shoes. I wish I had some really cute like blingy pink shoes, but what can you do? I only had these that I again got from my mom's closet. And then I have this Guess purse. Honestly, this outfit would be really cute for like a Guess release party back in the day, because I have like a Guess necklace and then a Guess purse. And then I have just these blingy sunglasses, like the classic ones that have the bedazzled ones. And yeah, that is pretty much my outfit. As you can tell, the top and the bottom are like completely different pinks, and the same thing with this. That is the whole point of the whole tacky monochromatic that I was talking about. It's like where everything is monochromatic, but it's like not cute, like it doesn't make sense, but like back in the early 2000s it did. My sister looked at me and literally said, "Bitch, what the fuck?" She said I look like Gemma from Sons of Anarchy, which I don't really see except like the color things. If anything, I feel like I look like I belong in the Jersey Shore, but like a more girlier version, because there's like a lot of pink and light tones going on. But this is definitely like Ed Hardy based. I am actually obsessed with this outfit. I know for a fact if I was like 20 in the early 2000s, I would definitely wear this outfit because I actually like it. I don't know, the other day Julie was like, I feel like you wear certain things just because you want to be a troll. And I think that's correct, but also like I actually like this outfit. Is that weird? I mean, even like with the shoes, like they don't make sense. Like I feel like I'm on Disney Channel right now, like for a movie premiere, because that's what they used to wear, like really short shorts with heels, and it was just like, what is going on? But yeah, let's just get on with the outfit, starting with this whole Ed Hardy t-shirt that I did thrifted. This one is actually up on my Depop, and I am just obsessed with it. I mean, it's so cute and pink, and I love how back in the day they would literally wear their t-shirts like so pulled down to like where they would cover their short shorts, so it didn't even look like they were wearing pants. And then these shorts are from Urban Outfitters. They are like just like the shortest of the short. Like sometimes I have to be like really careful. And then I paired it with this hat. I am in love with this because, as you guys know, my Instagram handle is 1-800-BUY, and this one says 1-800-YOU-WISH. I think that's what it says. But yeah, I got this from Forever 21, and of course no outfit is really complete without like a juicy handbag, and this was just like my sister's old one. And then these shoes again are from my mom's closet, and I felt like I had to pair like some type of blingy accessory. You could have also done like some really studded hoops as well, like the ones I did in the first outfit. And yeah, I think this is just such an iconic outfit, and I'm every little bit of obsessed with the tackiness that we got going on here. If I could describe the early 2000s in one outfit, it would probably be this right here, and it's definitely probably one of the only outfits that you still see around today. And it's starting with this lingerie top that was literally just popular last year, and the key was to match your top to the bag. So I kind of just put like this buckle bag. I'm like obsessed with it because it's all nice, pretty, and suede. And I got this one, I mean I thrifted this one, and I thrifted this top as well. And then you would pair the lingerie top with some flare pants, and not just any flare pants, like your flare pants would touch the ground, like just touching your shoe, you could barely see your shoe. And then these are Von Dutch. They have like a fat logo on the back that says Von Dutch, but like the shirt is covering it, so if you want you can just wear like the smallest crop top with it, because the key was to like show the logo. And these are up on my Depop. I would keep them for myself, but they're literally way too big. I think they're like a size they fit kind of like a size 29, 28 if anyone's interested. And then the shoes, again, they're not even blue, they have green in them, because again, the whole like tacky monochromatic doesn't really make sense. I thought these were like the perfect ones. You can't even see them, like trying to hike them up. You're gonna see it in zoomed in, but yeah, I thought it was perfect matching. And then also I did the whole like kind of wavy with the hair is pinned back. I think that this was more like 2010 era. I did this a lot, especially in middle school and even in elementary school. And then I have these little kind of like fake butterfly clips in, and then this 90s choker. Now the 90s choker and like these clips are again more 90s, but it was brought in to the early 2000s. Again, Lizzie McGuire did it best when she like mixed up a lot of her hair with the clips and the choker. And then I just put this Libra necklace on because I don't have a necklace that says my name on it. And then if you did watch that trends video, wearing your name on your necklace was like really popular, and then now you see a lot of people wearing just like their star sign. And then I have my Libra one, and yeah, I just think this is just such a cute outfit. I know I said in my last outfit that it was like the most wearable today, but actually I lied. It's obviously this one. You're probably even looking at this and thinking, how is this early 2000s? But if you did watch my early trends video, you'll know that it has everything to do with this top. So this is the whole princess top that I was talking about, and again, I have so many examples in that video of like this type of little princess top. Again, I really don't know how to describe it. This is Banana Republic, and I did thrift it. There's so many like different types of styles, and it was usually worn with, again, the whole flare jeans and the kitten heel. And I paired it with a denim mini skirt just to give it like a little bit more of a twist. And this one is from Urban Outfitters, and it was typically worn again with like shoes like these, like the whole little kitten heel. And I used the same ones that I did in my last one, so like the green tones kind of match the shirt. And then of course I wanted the handbag to match the tone, so this is a yellow Tommy Hilfiger one that I did thrift as well. And then something that I did not mention in my trends video that I forgot to, I was going to include it with the whole trucker hats, was the whole newsboy clap was the whole newsboy cap. And so many celebrities were wearing it, just like everybody. It was either that or the trucker hat. Now this one of course is a more modernized one, more structured. It's not really floppy like they were wearing, like the floppy ones. Like if anybody remembers like the really sparkly ones that you probably wore when you were little. And I am just so in love with the newsboy cap. I feel like it's just is so cute. Like it really like shapes the face and makes it look cuter. And yeah, I also paired it with again nameplate. Again, it's not my name, it's my sign, which is a Libra. And that is pretty much it for this entire outfit. Again, it's not really early 2000s, it's early 2000s inspired, so I took a couple of the trends and modernized it, because you could definitely wear this outfit and no one would look at you and be like, oh, she stepped out of the early 2000s, except maybe for the shoes, which you could obviously switch out. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I decided to cut it short. I didn't want to do that many outfits because again, I talk so much. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing like another early 2000s lookbook. I mean, I know I'll do one in the future because there's so many that I didn't do. Like I didn't do a whole headscarf one, and then there was a lot of like little princess stuff that I didn't do. I didn't show a lot of really cropped shirts and stuff like that, and that just comes from the fact that this video would have been way too long and I would be talking way too much, kind of like how I am right now. I'm going a little bit delusional, not gonna lie. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and do all of that. And also leave a comment down below of what lookbooks you want to see. I'll still be doing my outfits of the week, but it's fun to do like, you know, stuff like this. So let me know if you want to see like 90s, 80s, stuff like that, or even just like characters like a Paris Hilton one or something like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.